Hello guys, today I'll show you how to verify your LinkedIn account. Firstly, sign into your LinkedIn account on your mobile device, then tap the Me icon to access your profile. Tap Verify Now to start the verification process. On the page, select Verify your identity with Persona. Check the agreement box and tap on Agree, Accept and Continue. Now, select your country and tap Continue, then tap Yes, Continue to upload your passport. Your passport must be NFC enabled or an e-passport. Review your passport details and tap on Accept and Continue. Now, tap on the camera icon to scan the chip of your passport using NFC. Just ensure your phone supports NFC. Now, take a selfie for facial verification and finally tap Yes Share to send your verification details to LinkedIn. Once completed, LinkedIn will process your verification and let you be notified once it's approved. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.